Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now, quadrillion coins of Shibadoge has been bought recently. Remember, Shibadoge have actually gained a lot of investors coming in, a lot of whales pumping in money into Shibadoge. Unlike before, when we saw Ethereum whales invested so much on Shibadoge, and Shibadoge cap hit $16 million, became one of the top coin people are searching about that period. And right now, not just Ethereum whales, I'm telling you right now that so many crypto investors are actually going for Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge within the period of 12 days, within a period of 12 days, actually gained about over $25 million cap. It's an amazing to see this coin getting that such number of cap, and I believe by the time the cap will be hitting over $100 million, a lot of Shibadoge holders will be smiling. A lot of community of Shibadoge will be celebrating. Yes, Shibadoge still have so many zeros right now, but Shibadoge can still do wonders. Shiba Inu, of course, also did wonders. So many crypto coins have been doing wonders. You can never tell the particular coin that is going to become the next Shiba Inu, the next Dogecoin, the next Floki Inu. I believe Shibadoge, they have really worked hard to gain this number of market cap and number of supports from the other crypto exchanges. Now, if Shibadoge can continue the way they are actually be doing, I believe this coin is definitely going to hit a massive increase in price before the end of the year. But please remember that Shibadoge is a memo coin, and this coin is a future coin for me. If you want to buy this coin, you want to invest what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry where anything can happen, where you see different kind of things happening. So it is better to play wise. That I always advise people to invest what they can afford to lose. For me, Shibadoge is one of the best. Shibadoge is going to become one of the best crypto coins of 2023 if they can continue the way they are doing. Remember, the market cap have really increased. Let's see if the market cap will hit $50 million, then I believe this coin is definitely ready for a massive bump. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.